Hey everybody, it's Jay, and I have a package here in front of me from KHHI Nepal, also known as Khukuri House, and I haven't opened it up and checked it out yet, so I figured I'd do a little unboxing. But what this is what they call the Viper Survival and Fighting Knife. And how I came about buying this is, I had been playing some Resident Evil 4, again for the umpteenth time, and thought that the Krauser knife that they have in that game, which is a knife upgrade that you get later on that came from one of the main antagonists in that game, was pretty neat looking. So I decided to seek it out, and there's quite a few reproductions out there from various places with a lot of different versions of it on offer, and they go for all kinds of different prices because frankly, when you try to get up and order knives online, you're buying usually from India or China. The quality can vary pretty wildly, and what's interesting is you'll see multiple sellers with different prices using the same exact thumbnail for multiple versions of the same knife, but with all different prices. While browsing KHHI's catalog, I saw that they had, again, the Viper Fighting and Survival Knife, and that the profile appeared to be real close to the Krauser knife from Resident Evil 4. Not exactly the same, and I'll get into a few differences, but close enough that I thought it would make a good example piece. And at the very least, I would know where it came from and what the build quality is like, because I've done a lot of business through KHHI now in the past. And quite frankly, I've been very pleased with their products. It's made from high carbon leaf spring steel. Don't exactly remember what the steel is off the top of my head. So we become heavily packed in grease and oil. Correction, not grease and oil, as usual. Pretty standard for them. Really, really heavy oil. I'm assuming it's some kind of automotive oil. So there it is, right out of the box. Now this knife comes by default with a rosewood handle, hardwood handle. That's really pretty, but the Krauser knife in RE4 has a black handle, and because they have quite a few custom options at KHHI, you can kind of have it your way. One of the things that they offer is micarta, so I had them do a black micarta. So I'm going to go ahead and go clean the oil off of this real quick. Just get a better look at the blade. Nice mirror polish. I actually like the look of the micarta pretty well. And it feels nice. A little thick in the hand for me, but feels nice. Now the blade is a little smaller than the Krauser knife in the game. I think that the blade is a lot bigger compared to the handle on that one. This is probably honestly a little more practical. The other thing that I like better about this version is the game version, and what you see in a lot of the reproductions is the handle actually does not fully encompass the tang. So the tang is exposed in the front and back, which I think would be really uncomfortable to hold. There's a little zimping in the spine back there. But yeah, pretty cool looking. Feels nice in the hand. Really lightweight. That's one of the things that's continually impressed me about their knives, is they tend to balance quite well. And then it comes with this fitted kydex. So with a couple little belt loop options here, which is pretty neat. So I think that could actually be a viable knife option. And so just being kind of ridiculously impractical video gaming, it feels like something that you could theoretically keep on you in a survival situation. So pretty nice knife. I'm continue to be impressed with KHHI's quality and service. We'll probably continue to buy from them. Still have a few more things on the list. Hopefully they'll still do some innovation, and of course their custom options are quite good as well. So, yeah. Anyway, hope you liked the video. Please click like if you did. Be sure to go check out... I got almost all the way through this without a flub. Be sure to go check out the link to our Patreon, and be sure to subscribe to us if you haven't already. And this is Jay, and I will see you again soon next time.